This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, April the 7th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, some clouds over the northern high plains into Montana and southern Canada with the next storm system that'll be coming through later today, and more clouds coming in to the Pacific coastline as well. Watch warning map from before midnight showing the cold air over the Ohio Valley and Great Lakes with frost and freeze advisories there. Some winter storm issues over Montana into Wyoming around Yellowstone. The rest of the nation is tranquil. QPF chart doesn't look as tranquil. This is precipitation through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock, showing some decent amounts of precip along the Pacific coast down into Oklahoma and Texas. Around here, about 1/10 of an inch or less, especially Saturday today. So let's take a look at that storm today with the GFS Model Run 0Z. 1 p.m. today, there's the energy coming through the Dakotas into Minnesota with a bit of a ridge over the western Great Lakes that's going to keep this front progressing along with cold air behind it, so some isolated showers and maybe a crack of thunder, but be very spotty and 1/10 of an inch or less, and by Easter Sunday that's moved off. Cooler behind the front though, although you won't really notice it. It'll be more drier tomorrow on Sunday with temperatures in the 50s and 60s, but you'll really notice that Monday temperatures highs 50s to around 60, and we're going to start a period of pretty frosty mornings for the next couple of mornings from here on out, including Tuesday morning. Could see some frost and freeze advisories once more. Temperatures rebounding back into the 50s to around 60, maybe a few low 60s south and west. Wednesday morning, again, we could see some frosty conditions, especially in the northeastern counties and around the tri-state. Temperatures warming into the 50s to lower 60s with some winds coming out of the south, bringing in the next storm here for Thursday. Some showers and thunderstorms as this run moves the storm further north, and for the people that really need the rain, this will be a godsend with some rainfall. And into Friday the 13th, the low is near Sioux City. Still plenty of shower and thunderstorm activity with this system. Temperatures remaining by this point in the 60s. And by next Saturday, a week from today on the 12th, that peace energy moves off, and here comes another peace energy through the central plains, and with that, that's going to bring more chances of showers and storms. So it's looking rather wet heading into next weekend, and considering the northwestern part of the state's in a moderate to severe drought, the rain is desperately needed. Even a few days later on the 15th, that's on Sunday, a week from tomorrow, the low is in around La Crosse, Wisconsin. More chances of showers and thunderstorms, so it's looking really good. A few days after that, on the 18th, another trough axis over us with a bit of a ridge out west. Not much of one, but another chance of some rain with that. So looking rather rainy over the next couple of days. So we really desperately need the rain, and it looks like we're going to have good, decent chances of it. And even more chances here on the 21st. This is 2 weeks from today. More chances of showers and thunderstorms possible with another system coming in. So progressively moving along. The end of the forecast the next day, the 22nd. This would be 2 weeks from tomorrow. There's that system over the Great Lakes with the trough axis, a bit of a ridge developing west of us. So as soon as this front moves through, conditions will dry out, but not really cool off. Well, will cool off and then looks to warm up again and toward the end of April. Thank you for tuning into the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Easter Sunday.